Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to draw a butterfly with the number 3. Okay, for this first you can rotate the paper to the opposite side and you can write number 3. Okay, again you can rotate the paper to the opposite side. Here also you can write 3. Here we can draw one circle. In this you can draw eyes and smiley. To this you can draw oval shape. Like this you can draw. Okay. In this oval you can draw curved lines. Like this you can draw. Okay. Curved lines you can draw. Here we can draw curved lines like this. On the top of the head you can draw curves like okay, this is our butterfly, beautiful butterfly. Happy is it? Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Take care everyone.